Do you want to create a website like this? This is a clothing website. First of all, let's see the full site. This is the header. Here is the navigation menu and a website logo which is centered aligned. You can also align it to the left side. This website showcases a beautiful hero section. There are separate sections dedicated to the categories, products, testimonials, and other sections that a reliable website needs. The footer is divided into 4 columns. In the first column, a short introduction to the website is given. Here, links to the website pages are given for the direct access. In this column, you can give product categories. Here, contact details are given for the users. There are several pages given in the menu. Let's discover them. There is a sidebar given with price, color, and size filter. On the shop page, all the clothes can be seen here. With every product, its rate, rating, wishlist, and compare button is given. Users can directly go to the product page with select options. Users will see the variations if the product have them. After selecting the variations, add the product to the cart. You can see the cart here. Now let's see other pages. On the About Us page, you can write a brief introduction of your company, your mission, and your vision. You can also mention founders and partners. If your user wants to contact you, it can navigate to the Contact Us page. Here, form and the address of the company along with the map are given. After filling out the form site, owner will get the message through email. If you see the right side on the header, you can see a search bar where users can search for their product directly. Besides the search icon, the heart icon shows the wish list. Users can add product to their wish list and check out them later. This is the user's account page. Users can register themselves on your site and make an account. This is the cart. If the products are added to the cart, they will appear here. The quantity of the products can also be changed. Users can directly head to the cart and checkout page. On the checkout page, users have to fill out the billing details. This is the coupon section. If the user has the coupon, it can be redeemed from here. I am redeeming a discount coupon. It reduced the total amount to 50%. Let's fill out the details now. After all, click on Place Order. After processing, the user will see the billing details. So, this is the process of shopping from the clothing store website. Do you want to know how to create this website? This video is divided into 3 parts. We have completed the first part, which was navigating the website. The second part is purchasing the Shopmania WordPress theme. So, go to Theme Hunk. Search for clothing. Here is our website. You can see the features and the functionalities of the site on this page. You can choose the plan from here and from here also. After choosing the plan, click on Buy Now. You can opt for the services that are shown here. These are payment systems. Select any one that you prefer. Fill in the asked details, username and password, and click on Next. Here, fill in the payment details and proceed. After purchasing the theme, go to Theme Hunk again. Click on Members and log in with your credentials. This is the Members area dashboard. All your purchased files will appear here. Now what you have to do is click on the Shopmania Pro plugin and install it in your system. Congo, so we have completed the second step, which was buying the Shopmania Pro. Now the third step is installing the theme and importing the website. Now log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance. Click on Add New Theme. Go to the search bar and shop for Shopmania. Here is our theme. Install it. Once installed, activate the theme. This is the free theme. To access the premium features and template, we need to upload the ShopMania Pro plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Click on the upload plugin and upload the ShopMania Pro. Install and activate the plugin. It is activated and comes in plugins. Now navigate to appearance and click on demo import sites. The theme is inactive currently. Click on activate now. We need the activation key. To get the key, click on find your license key. Log in with the credentials that you made while purchasing the ShopMania Pro. Copy the license key of ShopMania Pro. Now come back to the license page. Paste the license key and click on activate. It is activated now. Every ShopMania template is here. Now find the clothing template. Here it is. Here you can see the full site. Now click on continue. Click on build my website. This process may take some time. The site is built and ready. Here you get two options, customize and view website. If you click on customize, the site will open for the customization with a page builder. You can customize the site with Elementor's drag and drop builder. For demonstration, I am changing the heading. Not only this, but you can also stylize the heading by changing color and typography. After all, save the changes. Let's view our site now. The site is the same as we saw in the demo along with the change we made in the heading. You can see the full site here. If you want to make core changes and explore the layout, go to the dashboard, navigate to the appearance and click on customize. Here you can change the logo, site title and tagline. In the layout and options, you will find incrementally layouts for header, footer, sidebar and various pages. Likewise, total color and BG options gives you a variety of color options to enhance your site. Not only these, but there are many more customization options given here. So we have completed all the steps and now our website is ready.